As a homeowner in Nampa, Idaho, you know how important it is to maintain your home, especially when it comes to elements that protect your family and improve your living environment. One often overlooked yet highly impactful upgrade is exterior door replacement. Your doors do more than just offer entry. They provide security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, all of which can significantly enhance your home's value and comfort. If you're considering upgrading your front, back, or patio doors, here are the top benefits of exterior door replacement for Nampa homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency. In Nampa, where temperatures can soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer and drop below freezing in the winter, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature can be a challenge. An old or damaged exterior door can compromise your home's insulation, leading to drafts that let in cold air during the winter or hot air during the summer. This causes your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which can result in higher energy bills. By replacing your exterior doors with newer, energy-efficient models, you can significantly improve your home's energy performance. Modern doors are designed with advanced insulation materials, such as polyurethane cores and double-sealed edges, to keep your home's temperature consistent year-round. Replacing worn-out or inefficient doors with energy-efficient options can reduce the strain on your HVAC system and lead to lower utility costs, making it a smart investment for long-term savings. Improved security. Security is one of the top priorities for any homeowner, and your exterior doors play a vital role in keeping your home safe. Older doors, especially those made from wood or with outdated hardware, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Over time, wood can weaken, warp, or rot, and the locks can become less secure, making your home an easy target for burglars. Replacing old or damaged exterior doors with new, solid core, and reinforced models can significantly enhance your home's security. Modern doors are often built with stronger materials such as steel or fiberglass, which are more resistant to break-ins. Many newer doors also come with improved locking mechanisms, better door frames, and impact-resistant glass, all of which contribute to a higher level of protection. With a new, high-security door, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is better safeguarded against intruders. Boosted curb appeal and home value. The exterior of your home is the first thing people see, and your front door is a focal point that can leave a lasting impression. If your current door is outdated, damaged, or unattractive, it can make your home appear less appealing and lower its curb appeal. On the other hand, installing a new, stylish door can significantly enhance the overall look of your home. Exterior door replacement is an affordable way to boost your home's aesthetics. With a wide range of materials, styles, and finishes available, you can choose a door that complements your home's architectural style while adding character and charm. Whether you opt for a sleek modern design, a traditional wood door, or a stylish glass panel entryway, a new exterior door can dramatically improve your home's first impression. If you're planning to sell your home, replacing your exterior doors is a smart way to increase its market value. Buyers are often drawn to homes that look well maintained and updated, and an upgraded door is a simple yet effective way to enhance your home's appeal and potentially increase its resale price. Increased durability and low maintenance. Older doors, particularly those made from wood, often require ongoing maintenance to stay in good condition. Wood doors can warp, crack, and rot over time due to exposure to the elements, especially in Nampa, where fluctuating temperatures and occasional moisture can take a toll on exterior surfaces. These doors may require regular painting, sealing, or repairs to prevent damage and keep them looking good. By replacing your door with a low-maintenance option like fiberglass or steel, you'll enjoy greater durability and long-lasting performance. These materials are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, even in extreme weather conditions. Additionally, they require little maintenance compared to wood doors, which means you'll spend less time and money on upkeep. With a durable, low-maintenance door, you can enjoy a more reliable entryway for years to come. Better soundproofing. If your home is located in a busy area of Nampa, near a main road or a noisy neighborhood, you might find it difficult to enjoy peace and quiet indoors. Older doors, especially those made from hollow materials or poorly sealed, can allow outside noise to enter your home, disturbing your comfort. Upgrading to a new exterior door can improve soundproofing and reduce the amount of outside noise that makes its way inside. Modern doors, particularly solid-core options, offer better insulation against sound, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. Whether you're trying to block out traffic noise, loud neighbors, or other disturbances, a new exterior door can help enhance the tranquility of your home. Conclusion. Replacing your exterior doors offers a range of benefits for Nampa homeowners, from improving energy efficiency and security to enhancing curb appeal and durability. The harsh weather conditions in Nampa, coupled with the growing importance of home security and energy savings, make exterior door replacement a smart investment. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's aesthetics, increase its value, or reduce maintenance, a new exterior door can make a significant difference. By choosing a door that suits both your functional needs and your personal style, you're not only improving your living environment but also making a wise investment in the long-term value and performance of your home. If you're ready to enjoy the many benefits of exterior door replacement, consider consulting with a professional installer to find the best options for your Nampa home.